Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Jerome-Severe coming with this video talking about community helpers. So, we are going to learn who are our community helpers and how they help us in our community. And then, after we're done with this video, you should be able to know who's in your family that is a community helper and what they do for the community. All right, so let's go. Rules for this game. I will show you and I will read the question prompt. I'll read the question for you and you will try to guess who am I describing in the community. All right, so let's see how many you could get. All right, let's go. I will put out fire in the community. So this person put out fire in the community. Who am I? Who am I? So, do you know who the person might be? I am a firefighter, a firefighter, or what you might say, a firewoman or fireman. I teach school. Who am I? I teach a school. I teach boys and girls. I work in high school, I work in middle school, I work in elementary school. So, who am I? Yes, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I help build beautiful houses. I help build your house. I might build the hotel. I might build the bank. Who am I? I build a lot of things. Who am I? I build places people live in. Who am I? I am a builder. A woman could be a builder. A man could be a builder. I bake delicious bread and delicious cake. I bake delicious bread and delicious cake. Who am I? Who am I? I bake bread and I bake cake and I bake cookies and I bake pie. Who am I? I am a baker. I am a baker. I help keep the children safe and the family safe and the neighborhood safe. Who am I? And sometimes I'm even at your school. Who am I? I help keep the children and family safe. Who am I? I am a police officer. A man could be a police officer. A woman could be a police officer. I help people who are sick in the hospital. Who am I? I help people sick. I help sick people. Who am I? I am a doctor or a nurse. I grow vegetable and fruits and I take care of the animals on the farm. So I grow vegetables, all the vegetables that you eat. I take care of the fruits that you eat. And I take care of the animals that lives on the farm. So who am I? I am a farmer. Yes, a woman could be a farmer and a man could be a farmer. I take care of your plants and your grass to make your house look beautiful. Who am I? I take care of your plants, your mommy's plants. I take care of your parents' grass. and I make the house look beautiful. I even do it at the schools. Who am I? I am a gardener. Thank you for watching. So now I want to ask you a question. What kind of community helpers you want to be when you grow up? So send me a message. Tell me, Miss Jerome, when I grow up, I want to be, and then tell your mommy to type it, okay? So these are the different types of community helpers that lives in our neighborhood where we live. So your mom could be a community helper, your sister could be a community helper, your brother, your grandma, anybody could be a community helper in your neighborhood. So that's all, boys and girls. Parents, don't forget to watch the video over and over with the kids a few times so like that they could get the concept what a community helper is. And then as you drive around the neighborhood, show them what other community helpers are. And if you have some in the family, talk to them about your career so they have a better understanding who are the community helpers. Thank you and have a wonderful day.